iPhone 3G. And, as you might expect, we have a new ad. So if you'd like to see it, I'd love to show it to you. Yeah? Let's go ahead and run the ad.
It's finally here. The first phone to beat the iPhone. It surfs the web and downloads data twice as fast for half the price. Introducing the new iPhone 3G.
Isn't that nice? You want to see that again? Let's roll that again. I love this ad. All right. So, just like the first iPhone, this new iPhone 3G is one of the most amazing products I've ever had the privilege to be associated with. And I'd like for Tony and his team who are here today, all the ones back at the fort, and for Scott and his team that are here today to please stand up. Let's give them a round of applause. It's a great job. These guys right here. Woo!